You check inside.
Okay. Inside Max's chocolate chicken?
Yeah, you'll see.
Will I now?
Yeah, check you are going to be
Kind of like
sour bleeding.
Sour bleeding?
Max's chocolate chicken.
Chicken. One morning, somebody put a chocolate chicken in the bird bath.
No.
I love you, said Max.
I love you.
Wait, Max, said Max's sister, Ruby. That's Max. First, we go on an egg hunt. If you find the most eggs, then you get the chocolate chicken. And if I find the most eggs, then I get the chocolate chicken, said Ruby. Max went looking for eggs, but all he found was a mud puddle. Ruby found a big yellow egg.
I got the yellow egg.
Max didn't find any. No eggs, no chicken, Max, said Ruby.
Well, that's a mean thing to say.
Yeah, she's a stickler. Max went looking again, but all he found were acorns. Right, they are similar. Ruby found a blue egg. Max, said Ruby, pull yourself together. Otherwise, you'll never get the chocolate chicken. So Max went looking with Ruby. Ruby found a red egg with green stars. Max found a spoon. Ruby found a gold egg with purple stripes, and a turquoise egg with silver swirls, and a lavender egg with orange polka dots. Max found some ants.
Lavender.
Then he made ant and acorn pancakes. Max, said Ruby, you'd have trouble finding your own ears if they weren't attached to your head. Ruby counted her eggs. I'm the one who's going to get the chocolate chicken, Max.
I'll be that one.
Said Ruby. That's a little bit stinky.
I'll be that one cause she'll get the chocolate chicken.
But Max ran away and hid. The bird bath was empty. Where are you, Max? Where are you, Max? Ruby called. Max ate the chicken's tail.
That's a mean
I see you, Max, said Ruby, but she didn't. Max ate the chicken's head. I'll give you half the chocolate chicken, Max, yelled Ruby. Max ate the wings. Then he popped out of his hiding place. Max, said Ruby, how could you do this to me?
There's another chocolate chicken for her.
Right, very good. I love you, said Max.
It's a chocolate duck that time.
Was it? Oh, you might be right. Maybe a swan or something like that.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
They went there on the east. There she is.